The Arctic air has arrived. Yes, already getting reports across parts of Scotland, northern England of snow and ice problems. This was taken by our avid weather watcher up in Highlands, Scotland. A very pretty scene, but that snow could cause us some issues. And of course, following that, frost and ice. But it's the wind still that we think is going to cause the most of an issue as we go through the next 24 hours. Now, already, as I say, the showers are turning to snow and it feels cold out there. There's some sunshine, of course, between the showers, but they'll turn progressively more to snow. Northern Ireland, Scotland, down towards North Wales. Those are the temperatures we'll see at the moment, but they're going to drop away from now on, really. And with that added wind, which is already picking up across the north now, and we'll see gales blowing across many areas, even inland areas, blowing that snow around. Gusts of wind to 50 or 60 miles an hour, and on some Irish sea coast, the North Sea coast, potentially up to 70 miles an hour. So a lot going on tonight. Let's take a closer look at that band of snow as well, to relatively low levels across Scotland, 5 to 10 centimetres across many of the hills here, blowing around in those winds, so temporary blizzard-like conditions. It's also an issue through the rush hour, potentially for Northern Ireland, and through the night then as well across northern England and Wales, as those bands of wintry weather make their way southwards. We will see some of that snow as well lying as we head towards the end of the night, but nevertheless probably not at such low levels. Perhaps the Chiltern seeing a dusting, and those winds, as I say, a real issue. Those could well bring down some trees. If that weren't enough, temperatures are falling low enough for a frost tonight as well, so ice will add into the hazards if you're travelling. So some really windy weather. It's an unusual direction for us, that northerly, so do watch out. It'll be buffeting those high-sided vehicles, could cause some minor structural damage. The snow and the ice clearly as well a big issue. They'll still be with us, some of that wintry weather, that wintry mix in the south and east in the morning, but then it blows away. And then most of the showers, even though we keep the wind for a time, will fall in western and eastern coastal areas. So many of us will actually have a decent day, just a cold one, the coldest of the season by a long straw. And obviously it feels colder still because of the strength of the wind, which does ease into the afternoon. And that easing will continue through Saturday evening and overnight. Still a northerly, so as this next little weather system comes southwards, yes, it will pose the risk of a bit more rain, sleet and snow in there, particularly over the hills. And a frosty start as well Sunday morning with some ice around. But it does mean that, again, many will escape the showers away from the coast and have a fairly decent day. The wind's not as strong, so that's some consolation. But there is a lot going on weather-wise if you're heading out and about. The warnings, they're updated on the website, Rita.
Thank you very much, Helen. Thank you.